Ease your way into mixed media with trendy mixed media transfers from Faber-Castell Creative Studio. Each package includes 2 sheets of transfer designs with 10 images per sheet and a wooden stick. To use the mixed media transfers, cut out the image you want on your project. Remove the paper liner and apply the design directly to your project. Rub the back of the liner with the enclosed stick. Next, lift one corner to make sure the image is completely transferred. Finally, use Pitt Artist Pens, Gelatos, or watercolor pencils to add color to your design. Adding gorgeous mixed media elements to all of your projects is super easy with the mixed media transfers from Faber-Castell Creative Studio. You can find additional transfer designs in the art aisle of your arts and crafts retailer.